Hi guys, welcome back with the last, the third and last puzzle in this additional. Not in today's news paper of Monday. Yes, it's actually Monday, March the 20th, 2023. No, it's the additional of last weekend. Yes, Saturday, March the 18th, 2023. And because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in additional of the weekend edition. So one puzzle is left, and this one is a tectonic with 1 star, number 6148. 6148. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18. So I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. Yeah, I think it's a 1 star. It's a 1 star indicated. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box. Always a 1. More single boxes, no. Dual box, I see here, dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so that box should be a 1. Here another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1. So that box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. We have here a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Any more information. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. So this box should be 4 or a 5. Alright. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, so it's 3 or a 4. And the other boxes could be every number. More quadra boxes, I see here also a quadra box. Cannot fill those numbers. Again, insufficient information. Then my following strategy, my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box, upside down the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, more L shapes in this puzzle. Let me check. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 then. Here another one, but mirrored, I believe. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 then. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Here another one upside down. So this box That's the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 or a 4. 3 and a 4. Another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Should be there. Okay. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Alright. So here we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Here can be a 2, so the 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 5. So the 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 digit left in this area. For number 3, these two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. And this box can be a 3. It's marked with 4 or 5. So 1 box is left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 5. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, 1 digit left for the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 and the 4. We already have a 3 there, so no 3 here. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5 again. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and 5 need to wait. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 5 there. If I place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So not a solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then, let me go up. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 1. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. This box can be a... Oh, wait. It's a quadra box. So it contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, we have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes. And there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. And is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and a 2. And here also the 1 and a 2. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 also. 2 could be everywhere. Yeah, could be everywhere. Well, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. 1 and a 5. Well. What's happening? Suppose I 1. Well, I think 1 and a 5. Suppose I place the 5 here. Let me see. Yeah. Suppose I place the 5 here. What can be happen? Then this should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So this should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be a 2. This should be a 1. Here also a 1. And then we have the 3 and the 2 left. But I cannot choose then. Here 2 or there 3. Or there 3 and then a 2. Well, should be also a solution. But with the Tectonic, it's supposed that you have one solution. So I cannot place the 1 there. The 1 should be here then. Then this should be a 5. This box can be a 1. Well, So the one could be here, could be there. But I cannot. Oh no, 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 no. One and a two, one and two. Yeah, I need to trigger the. Oh, overlook this. No, 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 no. I overlooked this. I overlooked this one. So this box cannot be a one anymore. So let me delete this. Overlook this one. Okay. So my conclusion is not correct. We have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be 2. So 1 box left in this area should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box should be also 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. I marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Here the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. So this box can be a 1. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. Here we have a 1. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So one solution. Alright. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. With a little bit troubles here. But we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, on Tuesday. I hope there will be extra puzzles in additional. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.